Deep within lush rainforests and across vast savannas live some of our planet's most fascinating creatures, the apes. These remarkable animals captivate us with their intelligence, social skills, and surprising similarities to ourselves. From the powerful gorillas to the acrobatic gibbons, apes offer a window into the wonders of the natural world and our own evolutionary journey. Their presence graces our planet with a unique charm and wonder. By understanding apes, we gain a deeper appreciation for the diversity of life and the importance of protecting our planet's precious inhabitants. Join us on a journey to discover the amazing world of apes. Their story is one of survival, adaptation, and complex social interactions, but it is also a story of increasing threat as human activities encroach upon their fragile world. Often people use the terms ape and monkey interchangeably. However, there are distinct differences between these two groups of primates. One key difference is the presence of a tail. Most monkeys possess tails, which aid in balance and agility as they navigate the trees. Apes, on the other hand, lack tails. Another distinguishing feature lies in their overall size and intelligence. Apes are generally larger and possess more complex brains than monkeys. This increased brain power translates into advanced problem-solving abilities, communication skills, and social structures. While monkeys primarily rely on instinct and learned behaviors, apes demonstrate a greater capacity for reasoning and abstract thought. This distinction highlights the unique evolutionary path apes have taken, one that has led to the development of remarkable cognitive abilities. Apes possess an astounding level of intelligence that rivals many other animals on Earth. Their cognitive abilities extend far beyond simple survival instincts. They exhibit remarkable problem-solving skills, often using tools to access food and navigate their environment. For instance, chimpanzees have been observed fashioning sticks into tools for extracting termites from mounds. They carefully select the appropriate length and texture of the stick, demonstrating a deep understanding of their environment and the task at hand. Furthermore, some apes have shown an aptitude for language comprehension. Researchers have successfully taught chimpanzees and gorillas to communicate using sign language or symbols, allowing them to express their needs, emotions, and even complex thoughts. This linguistic capability underscores the depth of their intelligence and their potential for communication with other species. Apes are highly social animals, living in complex groups with intricate hierarchies. These groups provide safety and facilitate cooperative behaviors like foraging and raising young. Individuals form strong bonds, engaging in grooming, playing, and supporting each other. Chimpanzee communities often have a dominant male leading the group. Leadership is also based on intelligence and social skills. These communities provide a supportive environment for raising offspring. Young apes learn essential life skills from their mothers and group members. Section 5. Talking apes, it's more than you hear. Communication is paramount in the social world of apes. They use vocalizations, gestures, and facial expressions to convey messages. Each sound and gesture carries meaning, from warnings to affection. Facial expressions play a vital role in communication. A grin, raised eyebrow, or pout conveys emotions. These cues maintain social harmony and prevent conflict. Section 6. Apes in danger, a call to action. Tragically, many ape species face an uncertain future. Habitat loss due to deforestation driven by agriculture, logging and mining stands as the most significant threat to their survival. As forests shrink, ape populations become fragmented, limiting their access to food, mates and safe havens. Furthermore, the illegal pet trade and the bushmeat crisis pose additional dangers to ape populations. Poaching for their meat or to capture infants for the illegal pet trade decimates ape families and disrupts their social structures. The consequences of these activities are devastating, pushing some ape species to the brink of extinction. The plight of apes is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. Their decline signals a loss of biodiversity, a disruption of delicate ecosystems, and a moral imperative to protect our closest living relatives. Section 7. Distant relatives, shared heritage. Looking into the eyes of an ape, one cannot help but feel a sense of kinship. This connection runs deeper than physical resemblance. It is rooted in our shared evolutionary history. Scientists estimate that humans and chimpanzees, our closest living relatives, shared a common ancestor between 6 and 8 million years ago. This shared ancestry is reflected in our DNA, with humans and chimpanzees sharing approximately 98.8% of their genetic material. This genetic similarity manifests in striking anatomical and behavioral parallels. From the structure of our hands and feet to our capacity for complex emotions and social bonds, the echoes of our shared heritage are undeniable. Understanding our connection to apes fosters a sense of responsibility for their well-being. Their survival is inextricably linked to our own, as they play vital roles in maintaining the health and balance of ecosystems we depend upon. Section 8. Protecting our closest kin. The future of apes rests in our hands. Protecting these magnificent creatures requires a multifaceted approach that addresses the root causes of their decline. Supporting organizations dedicated to ape conservation, such as the Jane Goodall Institute and the World Wildlife Fund, is crucial in providing vital resources for research, habitat preservation, and anti-poaching efforts. Furthermore, promoting sustainable practices such as responsible logging and agriculture can help mitigate habitat loss and reduce human-wildlife conflict. Educating local communities about the importance of ape conservation and providing alternative livelihood opportunities can empower them to become stewards of their natural heritage. Every individual can make a difference in the fight to protect apes. By making conscious choices as consumers, supporting sustainable practices, and raising awareness about their plight, we can help ensure a future where apes continue to thrive in the wild. Section 9. A future for apes. The challenges facing apes are daunting, but hope remains. By harnessing scientific knowledge and global cooperation, we can create a brighter future for these extraordinary creatures. Imagine a world where forests echo with the calls of chimpanzees, where gorillas roam freely in protected reserves, and future generations marvel at their intelligence and grace. This vision is within reach if we act decisively. Let us strive to be better stewards of the earth, ensuring the legacy of apes continues to inspire wonder.